Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2020 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. This one-owner, accident-free, all-wheel drive SUV is powered by a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission that can get you just 8 to 11 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the hatch of the vehicle, you have a retractable cargo cover, which reveals lots of cargo space. And in this bag, you have your cargo net. And this vehicle also has the one-touch easy open and close liftgate. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows with express down on all four and express up on the drivers. You have your liftgate control, memory seat functions, as well as the Bose premium sound system. On the steering wheel, you have your cruise control, forward collision warning, heated steering wheel, lane keeping assist, as well as your hands-free audio and display controls. This vehicle currently has just 3,811 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready to go. Your dual zone automatic climate controls, including heated and cooled front seats. Your power ports and wireless phone charger. All-wheel drive controls. And this vehicle is equipped with leather seats, and the front two seats are power adjustable. For the back of the interior, you have a great view of the dual sun and moon roof. You also have pockets in the back of both front seats. Rear air conditioning, as well as the rear seats are heated. You have 2 USB ports and access to 120 volt power. These are 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip down cup holder in the center seat. If you would like to see this 2020 Chevrolet Equinox Premier in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.